Finally uKwenzo uthole iqiniso lokuthi uNomalanga olalongo bemqambela ke amanga, and lokho kuzobajabulisa kakhulu ababukeli ngoba iyona into beyifuna ukuthi ke iqiniso lize liphumele ke obala. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hosana Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you for what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 2nd to the 4th of September 2024 on Monday. Kwenzo and Nomalanga tells Phetheni about what happened to the baby. When Themba finds Nomfundo crying, he immediately thinks the Dlaminis are to be blamed. Velepi finally does her music video shoot for the Gqom Star on Tuesday. Nomalanga and Kwenzo look for support after the family discover the baby is gone. When Zeni grows jealousy of Themba's endless achievements on Wednesday, Kwenzo discovers Nomalanga has been lying to him all along. Deliwe is exposed and she disappears. Velepi is distracted at work and chooses to follow her dancing passion instead. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Finally,